Okay, YouTube, we're here with the Airbus A320 Supreme-Hobbies. Got all my pre-flight checks done. Getting ready to take off. Dead calm today. Europe. Go through some turbulence there. Yep. Sorry about the sun, I'm going to try to stay away from it, guys. Got some trim issues going on. I'm not sure exactly what to do yet. I'm trying to figure it out. Stabilization's off altogether. So it's not on. To be honest, guys, it's kind of hard to see what's going on. Let's throw the landing gear open. Oh, that's so cool. I'm going to go by for another pass. We're going to put the gear back up. Coming in from over on those tree area there, huh? Hannah. Here we go. Got to give some full flaps here for slowness. Gear up. At 45 here, hon. Try to get my body over here in the landing area.
Okay.
Full speed pass here. 100% throttle. Got back to 50. A little bit of altitude from the sun. Throttle back. Put some flaps on, keep the gear down. Get into a final gear. Flaps are off. Okay, so you're out of the way, huh? Full flaps are engaged. Up right as I come in. I mean, you gotta admit, that was a pretty beautiful flight coming into landing. Especially against that green backdrop. I think you guys could probably see a little better with those trees in the background. Everything survived. Let's check the aftermath on the landing gear here. The other thing, guys, I mean, a 3.5 minute flight time, I don't know. Just so you know, funny story. Supreme-Hobbies says you should use 4S for fast flying. So 4S for light speed flying. You know, like, you know, the speed on your phone lines and your electrical grid. But go ahead and use 3S for, like, you can still see it, maybe. And that rollout is just, that was pretty cool, but still, it's like the weather is literally perfect for flying right now. So, I don't know. Get a little LED action on there. Get some flaps on there. This thing is gonna be sweet. Keep watching, guys. There's gonna be some landing gear doors. I'm gonna do a split door here with the numbers, just like on a real one. At some point, when I get my DX18, I'm gonna have some air brakes here that pop out. There's also panels here, by the way. There's 4 panels on each nacelle. It's gonna be really cool, but for now, we're just gonna keep flying it at warp speed and hope we don't completely destroy our landing gear. Thanks for watching, guys.